Hi everybody, just a quick video about how to make some chicken casserole out of some leftover rotisserie chicken. So we ate chicken last night. This was a large rotisserie chicken from Costco. We had it for dinner last night and lunch from it today, and still had enough of the dark meat to do a nice chicken casserole for tonight. So I'm going to add a can of drained carrots, then a can of cream of mushroom soup, a couple of heaping tablespoons of sour cream, and some frozen peas, not the whole bag. And I'm just going to stir that up to get the chicken good and moist. I've also got my oven preheated to 350. You could use other vegetables in this if you don't have the carrots or peas. You can buy a mix of carrots and peas in the frozen section, but you can also use broccoli. You can use green beans, whatever your family likes is fine to add. Okay, now that it's all mixed up and moist, I am going to put on the crumbled topping. Normally I would put like canned biscuits or Bisquick on top, but I didn't have any of that. And I had these left over from Easter dinner, these French fried onions. So I'm just crunching them up and kind of sprinkling them on top for a little bit of crunch on the casserole. Okay, we're going to bake that at 350 for about 30 minutes. Here is the finished product. And if you don't have the French fried onions, you could also use Cheez-Its. You can use Ritz crackers. You can use canned biscuits. This casserole is very interchangeable and versatile, and you can do whatever works for your family. Hope you enjoyed it.